To change keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy A57, well, first of all, you will have to change your keyboard, because in the Samsung keyboard, it's actually not really possible to change keyboard theme in the way that you probably looking for. So how it looks, you have to go for the Google Play Store, click on the search, go here and input that Gboard phrase. That's the application that we have to download, and now when you download it, you will have to go to the settings on your phone, scroll all the way down for general management. Now move for a keyboard settings, enable Gboard with this switcher, and now you can just go for a default keyboard and set a Gboard as default. Now go for it, select theme, and here you can find a lot of colors, but also some pictures, like some landscapes, for example, that you can quickly apply. But you can also set a custom photo by clicking here, so you will be redirected into your gallery and you can just pick any photo that you want and get this on your keyboard theme. Just like this, for example. Thank you so much for watching.